Welcome everyone back to my channel, and thanks for coming on to the channel. In today's video I'm going to make some carrot, ginger, pineapple and mint juice. Very healthy for you. As you know, the weather is changing, so we have to look after ourselves, get our body in tune, get some fresh, healthy, nutritious drink in our system. So I'll take you through the process, so stay tuned. With the carrot, just gonna rough chop them. Mint in, the ginger, pineapple. You don't need more than this, but this can probably give you two cups. So it's good when you just make it fresh. With ginger, you can't go wrong, and mint, they are super food. I'm gonna add some water. Gonna put the lid on. With this you can add some honey if you want. Then I'm gonna start blending. This is finished. So as you often hear I said in my video, I don't really like bits, so normally I'll always strain it off. So now it's been strained off. I'm going to pour it out in a glass. The healthy drinks ready. Put a straw in, bit of decoration on the side. Cheers to you all, and thanks for watching. Wow, this is better than I think. Wow, this is nice. I urge all of you who are watching this video, please try this drink. Very delicious, very refreshing, healthy, full of energy, and it's good for weight loss also. But don't drink it in the night, because it probably keep you up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, share and leave positive comment, and I thank you all for watching. That is delicious.